Hello all viewers, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. Our episode today is completely with a unique collection and exclusively from Million Designs. Please check out our very designer sarees along with the prices. With the first saree being the lemon yellow and orangish pink combination, half and half style, priced 8,650. Next saree is a deep brinjal violet with grey combination. Very beautiful floral weaving comes on the border, priced 7,900. Next another designer saree is this dark purple with raindrop motifs on the body and designer borders. This is the pallu and that's the blouse piece. It has got a combination of silver and golden zari weaving with very unique and rare borders. This designer saree is priced only 12,900. Please note the shipping is free all over in India and overseas shipping charges apply according to the shipping location. In order to book your sarees, please send us a screenshot of the saree to our WhatsApp number 70108-30303. This is the open picture along with the pallu. Very unique piece, priced 12,900. Next one is bright vivid color combination of traditional yellow with dark red. Unique weaving in the borders. That's the blouse piece and here is the pallu. This saree is priced 11,300. Next saree is the beautiful color combination of dark pink with teal blue, borderless style. Rich motif weaving in golden zari all over the body, priced 13,200, 2 grams pure zari used. Next is a stunning borderless style again with very rich weaving of silver as well as golden zari in unique designs. That's the pallu and the body together, priced 14,500, 2 grams pure zari used. Next saree is a turning border style with solid navy blue and gold combination, unique borders with peacocks woven and silver and golden zari buttas comes on the body, priced at 13,800. Next one is bright red with golden zari weaving. Different unique pattern woven on the body with the traditional small size borders on either sides of the saree. That's the pallu. This saree is priced 9,900. Next comes this pretty pink with very unique turning borders and leaf motifs on the body with contrast pallu in navy blue. It is priced 13,800 accompanied with contrast pallu and blouse piece. Next comes another lovely half and half style Kanjivaram with multi-color stripes pattern in the border with very unique floral motifs. Contrast pallu in dark pink and blouse piece, priced 10,500. Very beautiful weaving. Next saree is a very unique dark red with golden and silver zari hand woven motifs. Intricate weaving of Vanasingaram patterns in checks pattern, box pattern. That's the open picture. Richly woven pallu in golden zari. This handloom treasure is priced 16,900. Next comes teal blue with silver zari weaving. Simple yet elegant borderless style and is priced 7,900. Another blue combination with silver zari, stripes pattern on the body and silver zari motifs, priced at 7,900. Next comes a very unique weaving with the subtle silver zari all over the body in borderless style, priced 8,900. We have two more colors in the same design pattern, this pastel beige and another dark color in blue. This is another color. Beautiful three colors in very unique weaving, each priced 8,900. Next comes a very lovely pastel shade in green, metallic color with very unique tree motifs that comes in the border part. Intricate weaving in golden zari that stand out for the whole saree's look and golden zari buttas on the body. Next, another designer piece in dual shade with blue and orangish pink, priced 11,900. It has got very unique borders and tree motifs. That's the pallu. Next saree is a bright color of orangish pink with designer borders and golden zari buttas, priced at 12,500. Here is the closer picture for you of the detailed weaving pattern. Next one is a dark pink with contrast blue combination, a rare design in the borders, lovely pattern of paisleys, priced 12,500. That's the pallu and the blouse piece. Next comes the last saree in our today's episode with a bright vivid color combination in very rare design pattern in half and half style. It's so unique and designer piece. Priced 8,500. In order to book your sarees, please send us a screenshot to WhatsApp number 70108 See you all tomorrow in our next episode. Until then, bye bye. Take care.